Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create a Trust Wallet account step by step. In order to create a Trust Wallet account, first of all, download the Trust Wallet app from your App Store or your Play Store on your smartphone and launch the app open. From the first interface of Trust Wallet, to create a new wallet, click on Create New Wallet option in blue. Now, enter a passcode so that you can remember it later to unlock your wallet, and confirm the password by re-entering it again on the next page. In order to secure your wallet, you can turn on Face ID or Touch ID, tap on Enable button at the bottom, or you can also skip this process for now and do it later. Enable notifications or do it later on the next page, and your wallet is now ready. You can now start funding your wallet with bank transfer directly from other users, from your Binance or Coinbase exchange, or receive funds from another wallet. So that is how you will be able to create your new wallet on Trust Wallet. After you've done creating your wallet, you can now go ahead and back up your 12-word recovery phrases. Simply click on the main wallet drop down from the top of the screen and click on either manual backup or the cloud backup option and back up your wallet phrases. Once you back up your wallet phrases, this will be the only way to recover or restore your wallet if you lose your phone, and there you have it. That is how you can easily create a new wallet for Trust Wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.